Good morning, America. Mark Kelson here today at Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon to present to you this pre-owned 2018 Coachmen Leprechaun with 7,200 miles on it. Beautiful coach, loaded to the hilt. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. 26 feet, and this has all kinds of stuff in it. You come in here, it's like no other coach that I've seen before. You got the little couch on one side, and you have an L-shaped dinette on the other. So you get the best of both worlds. So you're not sitting uncomfortably in a coach that doesn't have the couch, and yet you have them both. It's just awesome. Up here you have the extra bed, and with the little TV center up front. Wonderful woodwork in this coach. This does have a satellite dish on it. And turning around right behind you here features a 4-door stainless steel refrigerator in a 26-foot coach. This is amazing. The people that had this ordered this specifically with all the amenities on it. You have the oven right here with the 3-burner stove, a little microwave up above, little L-shaped area in here. Nice little pull-out drawers. Little pantry area. Little area right here if you wanted as pantry also. And here you have a huge wardrobe area. Coming to the back, you have the bathroom. A lot of room in that bathroom. It's very deceptive till you get in there and see just how much you do have. It's very cool. The woodwork in here, it's a high gloss, it's just beautiful. TV on this side, rear window, exit, fold up bed right here. This is just awesome. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. So this is on the Ford chassis. Beautiful two-tone seating up here. You have the CD player, the rear camera. You also have side cameras on this little Class C, which is amazing. This also has levelers on it. Just everything you would need in a coach in 26 feet. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer on the outside. Alright, so on the outside it features full body paint. Beautiful finish on this coach. You do have Firestone airbags on this unit. You also have aluminum wheels on this unit. The awning is a full-size awning, automatic awning, just exquisitely beautiful. You have a little table that you can pull out right here. Coming to the back, you have LED lighting on this unit. There's the window that looks out the back. Again, this has a huge compartment, and we'll see it on the other side, but it starts back here and it goes over to the other side. Nice solid bumper, ladder accessing the top, rear camera, Schwintek slide out system. Look at that area. That's huge. You could put anything in there. Your refrigerator's right there. You have these compartments underneath, and you do have your generator, right? It appears right here. Let me get in there. Yeah, there it is. So you have a 4,000 watt Onan generator right there. Pretty cool. Slide toppers on this. Little step-ins to get into the coach. There's your side cameras. Again, you have the levelers on this, satellite dish. It's loaded, 7,200 miles on this coach, 2018 model. If this coach interests you or any coaches we have on the lot, please feel free to give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.